Hey. Oh, this is neat. We can go fast.
I know. You can also put a phone there. Pass it on your mom.
No, no, it's dangerous. If your piece of material gets stuck in there, you're gonna get caught and cause a big. Well, if you have to stop this electronically, who knows? You could cause a big shock. It could be a big problem. Ask your father. What? What?
I was just thinking about that
Night thing? I can't tell you. I'll tell you what though. It's gonna mess with your life. Yeah. I'll tell you what. My nose. I'm kidding. No, I don't know. He knows it is. Maybe you're right. I don't know what it is. I'm joking around.
Mentally, he said mentally.
Oh, shut up. Shut up. I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun. What about the container?
What do you think of this? That's ours. That's Cowboy. This is Cowboy.
This is Carolyn's dog.
No, this is our dog.
This is our dog now. I told you she found a home for it.
Cowboy. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't like that one.
I was so afraid because I didn't hear you barking or anything. Are you
Come
okay,
here.
honey?
Dad, there's an owl up there.
He's only 10 months old. Yeah. Here. I think it's...
2 years old. How old is